Hey guys! Today we are going to learn how to use Blackbox AI for Microsoft Visual Studio Code, okay? It's really simple. First we have to go to the extension setting right here and click it. And here we have to look for Blackbox AI code. I already have it here because I already installed it, so basically we just click it. And here you will have to click install, okay? I have it on uninstall because I already have it installed, but of course if you don't have it installed, you will just have to click install, okay? After waiting a couple minutes for it to install itself, you will have now a little B over here. So we just click here. And here we just click Blackbox AI Code Chat, okay? And now this page will open and you can basically just ask any questions you want about coding or how to code or explain or whatever, okay? The AI is very good at coding and it helps you with that, okay? Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. If you have any question, please leave them on the comment section below. And if not, I'll see you next time. See ya!